All right.
How much you have to drop?
1,000 each.
1,000.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you. We wish you a Merry Christmas and
Insufficient funds.
Jesus.
So what do we do now?
You go home and hustle.
It's another one from OBIKING. Like always, I try not to disappoint. So make sure you're subscribed as we go check this out. Let's go have some fun.
Where is this gate man now?
Madam.
Yeah,
Yeah, you called me.
yes, sir. Please, help me go down the street. Buy me medicine.
Medicine, which medicine be that one?
P2.
Madam, which medicine don't they get P2? I just say na P2 na for only what? Medicine don't they get P2 too?
I know say you
P2, not P2.
Na postino 2.
Wow, postino 2.
Yes.
The name of the medicine they sexy. They're very sexy. So what's that one they work now?
Na blood medicine.
Okay, blood medicine.
They give blood.
They give blood. Wow.
Postino.
The sound of the name self will tell you say they will give better blood.
Exactly.
It's okay. But the name of this medicine looks very sexy. And as it is sexy, I say we take the sexy blood. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sister. No, don't vex me for the interfere, the jumping. Sir, I want to buy blood medicine.
Which one?
Postino 2.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Postino.
No be blood. Postino 2. Blood medicine. Postino 2.
Who sent you?
And my mother and I sent me. She said I come buy Postino 2 for her. Saying I blood medicine.
Okay.
So I go need that 2.
Yeah! 2 what?
She said I blood medicine. So I go like 2.
God have mercy upon us.
I think Postino is
It's okay.
for
You complete that.
removing
Thank you, sir.
pregnancy.
Thank
now.
you. Blood medicine. This medicine. The sound of this medicine go show me say
Why you
the
drink
way
am?
you take pump blood, you go pump blood, says all these big people. No wonder. Big men they fresh, big women they fresh. They no go ever tell pump man what they drink to make the blood they pump. Now look at Postino 2. Better blood medicine. See the name self. As you hear the name, you gonna say the kind blood where you go supply SS.
This guy no get
All
sense.
these big
He no
men
get
and big
sense
women,
again.
more than they try to share updates. Why on our body they fresh? Postino 2. Good, better blood medicine.
God have mercy upon us.
May your madam catch you.
Madam, I don't buy the medicine though.
Okay.
Eh,
You don't come?
yes, sir. Now the medicine.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Don't
It's
try.
okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Ma go back gate.
Do man know say you mumu sir? That make it tell
Yes.
you na.
I don't know. I want to ask you whether that blood medicine where I buy here. Now so they take the work.
Which blood medicine?
So now you say Postino 2 give me here blood medicine where I buy. Now so the blood the medicine take the work because since where I drink the medicine, my belly con they bite me. I don't know how body they do me. I don't know what's going on.
Who told you that P2 is blood medicine?
You know
So
get
I
sense.
don't understand. When I come here, I tell you say my madam tell me say na blood medicine. Say make I buy blood medicine for them. So now me do I need blood now? I can't go drink the medicine.
God have mercy upon us.
Since why I drink that medicine. Now so belle they bite me. Even so, the medicine instead of it to give me blood, it can't come out
your blood.
my body. So that's the
That's
whether
why they
make I
come
know
out
whether
again.
na so the thing take the walk. You go to turn and later the blood will come out. I don't know what's going on, sir.
You didn't tell me you are going to drink it. You told me it's your madam.
Sir, blood now for a man and woman. So I need blood. That's why I need blood. Blood now for everybody. Everybody need blood. The Postino 2 blood medicine. Now for man and woman. The thing is sort of to give me blood.
Okay,
they
keep
collect
quiet,
one way
you don't
they-
get
my
sense.
body. So I don't know what's going on, sir.
Should have told me. Now that medicine you bought, that P2 you bought, is not blood medicine.
So I don't understand. Can you explain further?
That medicine is used only for women.
Which one is not for men? Which blood now for man and woman?
It is used for women to remove
Pregnancy.
belly.
So you say?
You don't go from where your
Then
stomach.
they use that come out belly. So why? I kept sir. So they like come out belly sir like this now.
Your belly go
Sir,
come out
what
now.
am I going to come out now? What am I commoting? What did I go come out?
That is the question begging for urgent answer now.
I'm dying. Chai, sir. Injustice. I don't like Chai, what am I commoting?
You are commoting your belly now.
Sir, I hate injustice. I don't like
You don't like injustice.
I don't like
So you go take
This
her.
entire meal.
As I dey like I dey fear.
But me, I define with me too now. Man, go sleep.
Hey, you go sleep. Now sleep will come here come do.
Before I no go rest my bag. Afa, you owe money that go to a bookie shop, go buy something before you go close.
I no owe any money here.
You say no owe money?
I no owe money.
But yesterday I buy bread and mineral. You chop, abi? No, today don't shut on to buy the time say no get money, abi?
Now chop we come chop here. Eh? You look like tiny table. Now walk come walk here, no come here come chop.
No, well, first to do no dey pay no.
Guy, you know how you dey look for here. Know how you dey look. Know how you dey look.
Nah that.
Baba dey
When I
fear.
run last, na for enter passport.
Oh my, sabi fear now to that.
Vigilante wey dey fear.
Jesus. Now come here.
Hey, you don't know where you are going.
Go this side. That they talk to you, they look me.
Come my friend, go like this.
Move on.
Come when they talk to you, they carry and put for pocket. What my guys still wipe you?
Leave him. Nah, bad boy. Now that they put gun. They hold the gun, make the gun no shoot. Come who you be?
My name is Mr. Peke. I be DJ for one club like that.
You be DJ for which club?
For one club like that.
Okay,
You
you be
get
DJ.
name.
Now they play music. When people they dance, now go chook inside their pocket, collect their phone.
No, leave am. Especially when they don't play, I'm a piano. That I put don't raise their hand up, they go put hand for the pocket, collect.
Collect phone.
Okay, don't come implicate me now. I mean, I be DJ. Oh.
Get any DJ around here, we don't know me. Eh? DJ Sun City know me. All the DJs know me. DJs Association, they know me. All club owners know me, but I don't know you. This protest they talk about, what you make you no go?
Everybody gonna go protest now.
Maybe everybody go protest. So you dey support that
What
DJ.
you want me to go do for?
Sure say you be DJ.
I be DJ, but I know they work for this side. They work for Jaro.
See your leg. Guy, you remember that chief Ogwago? We say yam the lost for in garden. Jesus. Now them be this.
But wait till me your leg the thing. And because of trek, what trek? Oh, you no see motor enter.
Hey. What did you drop for your trouser like this?
It's a design.
Skeleton hand. Mint 3 straight. I don't have this company before. Actually, they trade gift card and Bitcoin and all digital assets.
Yes,
And then get office.
exactly. They have an office, but if you cannot go to the office, you can just trade with them on WhatsApp.
Okay, if I know if you go to the office, I fit trade with them for WhatsApp.
Exactly.
They are fast and reliable, abi.
They are very fast and reliable.
Cause you dey look. You know what it be this?
No, I don't know.
I read them.
Main Trees Trade Limited. Trade all your gift cards and cryptocurrencies.
What is that bag? Open them. Hey! Okay, I'm DJ. You carry it away.
Oh, so now where they go out there, go tip away.
Oh God, though.
Go like this.
Which kind of one page for this one?
Go like this. Go like this. Go. I'm here today. Vigilante. They do. Oh God.
What did they do in that one?
We are the vigilantes. Now,
Sir, see, I'm in a hurry.
say you dey in a hurry. I collect touch now. Like if you do one faster, like all of us feel go. So
Tell you
we
we go talk now, trick this thing for your mouth now.
leave am. This one high. This one go dey smoke. This one na humanizer.
You know see in cap, very big womanizer. See in cap now. See the way they take a good, carry on.
I really smoke. Oh.
Wetin na hoe?
No, nothing in my pocket like this. Oh.
You wetin hoe?
If you just talk since now, send money now you want.
I blame you. Una stand up, una dey go.
Na extortions these ones they do.
Come, make una go sleep for house o.
You are a criminal.
No need to advise them. When they come past tomorrow, say that if you collect 1K buy bread. After my share.
Wetin be that?
My share now, which one be waiting me that?
Tell me your share.
You know go still give her
Don't
share.
worry me o. I wan sleep.
Oh, but see, this way they do me, I don't like am. This way they do me, I don't like am.
I be dey do am make you like am. Oh, all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. And if Jack play well, he go become a poor boy.
So na extortion na they do for them.
You don't know where you are going. I shall walk.
Hey, wait.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now my son name be that.
No, it's not my son name. We are two that used to do this work.
You don't go maintain there.
Oh, but somebody like you.
dog.
For the hood, the game mine, on they block our choppings, won't achieve our treasure, Sabi.
No, brother, I not stop your chopping. It's one man, he called me. He said, come and join vigilante. I know you see you. Just as you join, he not give me touch, he don't give me anything. Oh Lord.
They carry him together with him bucket, say where you sit down.
Real men work at daytime, while this man work at night. So what make the water up at Arona?
Brother, I know what your pressure. This one man, I wipe your baby.
Come on, sick panther!
Think, come and close my mouth.
See, for the records like this now, we'll hold you for a ransom. Boy.
Who go pay?
Check out that hold 1 or 2 phones, they may call their people now.
Brother, I don't have anybody. If I have somebody, I'm not beginning to work. I'll be in the bank doing cashier work.
Boy. Baba. This guy no get money like this.
I won't get them.
Like the chief go like come here, make us select one of the body parts we go like.
No man, money must be made.
Shabo, can you see my money come here?
Hey!
Oh my God!
This world can be something else.
You will burn by fire.
Spider-Man.
Oh my God, Spider-Man!
What do you believe?
I got the power. I'm about to release my power.
Hey! Jesus.
Disappear.
How much you want to draw?
2K. Alpha, bro. Oh, man, that vent Africa too short, bro. I dey tell you now, and I save me today now. See, man, I tell you very simple. Vent Africa, na app where they convert USDT or BTC straight to cash. Yes, now. Okay. Download na free. They know they pay. Put download the Play Store or App Store. Once you register, use my promo code SENT24. Yes, now. They know they store coins, so once it come like this, they go convert it straight with the current rate to Naira. Yes, now you fit put your bank account inside now. You don't understand? Oh yeah, now I just received money. I say my withdraw. All right.
Next person.
How about you the next OTF? Correct guy. Since West Africa don't give you small things, name me rely on you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Correct guy. You first this guy come here. Yeah, man, not be by who first come, now by who first collect. I swear.
40,000.
40,000.
Yes.
Now by who first collect?
How about your fee?
Okay.
Customer.
You know the hell I made for finance something.
Yeah, man, you are the next. You are the next.
You know we try again.
All right.
How much you want to draw?
1,000.
1,000.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
You
We wish you a Merry Christmas and
insufficient funds.
Jesus.
So what do we do now?
You go home and hustle.
Hey! God damn it.
God no forgive you for what you do.
You hide your ears because of 1K.
Michelle, what are you doing here?
You left your book in class. I came to give you.
Oh, thank you.
Would you like to follow me home?
Why?
I cooked food at home and you look very hungry.
Okay.
Should I do it after eating?
Of course. Young man, stop dreaming. You know you are broke. Who would want to date a broke guy? It's true, Sha. Leave. Michelle, I shall take my leave.
What's happening? Where are you going to?
See, leave me alone, because I know that no girl wants to mingle with a broke boy.
Now, I like you. If it's about the money, you wouldn't be here. It's you I like.
This can't be happening. It feels like a dream.
Susie, what happened? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay, I'm going home now.
Wait. Should I follow you home?
To do what?
Hold up.
Off that sound. Off that sound, come on. Shift.
Off which one? Who
I
dey
said
play
shift.
song?
Babe, what's the matter?
My boyfriend.
And what about him?
Nothing really. It's just that, you know, I've been hurt so many times. And I feel like he's going to cheat on me. I mean, he's not perfect.
What do you want to do now?
I don't know.
I think I have an idea.
Really?
Use me to test him.
Are you whining yourself?
You know why?
Babe, what should you think?
I think that's a good idea.
You be mumu.
How about find me food make I chop?
Okay. No, the food not fresh. I think we should go get food outside.
Oh, baby, you just said you cooked now.
No, it's not fresh. Let's go get good food, I beg.
Oh, wow.
Hey, you dey sound like come out though.
Jesus.
Use me to test him. Everything we carry for chest.
You're all smart.
Relationship I dey manage. Thank you.
I could have killed a lot.
The baby the fine style where you take collect the friend guy. See nonsense talk. Use me to test him with that big this thing where you carry for chest. Can you imagine? Anyway, thanks guys for sticking to the very end. You know I always appreciate. You understand? Check out my other videos. There's so many hilarious videos on my channel. So, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, the subscription button is for you. Make use of it. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.